Hello my dear YouTubers, welcome to my channel. In this episode I would like to show you how I'm going to install the heat shield under the hood blanket on this 2019 Toyota Rav4. When I bought this car brand new, this model 2019 just came out, it did not have the hood shield, so let me show you. When we open the hood, as you see right here, there's no hood insulation, no hood blanket, no, as you call it, no hood shield. And Toyota dealership wants $200 for this little piece that goes here. And there's like this mounting holes right here, 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 there. So there's like six holes that we can mount this. So this 2019 model, when it came out, I think the Toyota had a reasoning for that to save money, to save materials. I don't know why they didn't include the hood shield, but in 2020 they decided to put it. The engine on this Rav4 is a little bit louder because it has a dual port injectors, and to have a heat shield it would also insulate the sound. It would be much better. So I bought this on Amazon, this heat insulator. It's also already pre-cut. It has all the right holes, 6 holes. It's made from special material, heat resistant material. I'm gonna try installing it. See, it was folded like this. That's why we have all these creases here. But let's try installing it. It's perfectly cut for this Rav4. And I bought it on Amazon. I wasn't gonna spend $200 or $220 just for this piece. It also came with these clips. They're gonna go right here. I'm just gonna install it. Should be very easy. First we have to insert these pieces in like this. Also make sure this is aligned. Now we're gonna insert this first clip right here. This first one in. Now the bottom one. Let's go the side ones. There you go. And we're gonna insert that one. This corner. We have one last one left. And that's it. This is how our finished installed product looks like. I think they did a good job cutting everything aligns, it looks good. And now I have a hood insulation. Now I see some people put like a 3M tape to hold this more tightly, but I don't think it's gonna be causing any problems, no vibrations, nothing. Fits perfect. And this is it. Instead of paying $200, you can either make it yourself or just go buy it on Amazon. I will put the link in the description. And this is a special heat resistant material, and also it should deaden some of the sound coming from the engine. So as you saw, installation is very easy. It looks very nice, even though it's not original from Toyota, but it looks good. And let me show you the thickness of this material. 6.2 millimeters, and if you want inches, that's about 0.23 inches. So a pretty nice thick material. Should be good insulator. I just wish when they ship it, I wish they did not fold it, because I don't like these creases here. So you can see these folds. They just fold it and put it in a package. But it looks good. So if your RAV4 didn't come with a hood insulator, you can buy it. The link will be in the description. It looks good. Instead of paying $220 for this, you can do it for like $40. You can buy it for $40, or you can even make it yourself. But there you go. Easy installation, looks good, looks very professional, and it should quiet down some of the engine noise. So there you have it. Now you know how easy it is to install a hood, blanket, insulation shield. And in the next episode, I'm gonna install a sound deadening material inside the door panels, in the trunk, and everywhere. So this car will be very nice and quiet. And that's all in the next episode. Thanks again for watching, and I appreciate you. Hit that bell, subscribe, hit the links, and I will see you on the next episode.